1. Explore the Chinese markets. The next 2 blocks of Stockton are packed with markets. Some sell the same kinds of vegetables and groceries you'd find at a neighborhood store anywhere, but others sell fresh fish, Asian specialty vegetables, and foods. For fun people watching, look for older Chinese women shopping, arguing over asparagus, wrangling over radishes, or shaking an eggplant to see if it's firm. 2. Walking. At Jackson Street, turn left, then turn right into Ross Alley, which is halfway to Grant. 3. Stop at the Golden Gate Fortune Cookie Factory, 56 Ross Alley. It's not what you might expect of a factory, but more like a Wallace and Gromit invention gone awry. Some people think the staff rude, and they'll give about 30 seconds to look around before insisting you buy something, but it's worth a look and something you're not likely to see anywhere else. Bring cash if you want to buy some fresh fortune cookies and expect to pay to take a photo, too. 4. Stop at the Sambo Trading Company, 50 Ross Alley. This small shop sells Buddhist and Taoist religious items, Buddha statues, incense, and paper goods burned in tribute to ancestors and the gods. A pack of handmade paper printed in gold purchased here makes an inexpensive, beautiful souvenir. 5. Walking. At the end of Ross Alley, go right on Jackson and then left into Spofford. 6. Explore Spofford Alley. There's not a lot to see in this short alley, but listen, it's home to numerous mahjong parlors and you can hear the tiles clicking as you pass, especially on weekends when you might also get a glimpse inside through an open door. 7. Walking. At the end of Spofford, turn left and walk to Waverly Place. Turn around at Washington to walk the street's 2-block length. 8. Explore Waverly Place is often called the Street of the Painted Balconies, but it wasn't built for tourists and these days the paint is growing a bit faded. Walk along its 2-block length and you'll find a dry cleaner, travel agency, employment agency, 2 funeral businesses, and 2 temples. Amy Tan fans may recall the name Waverly from Joy Luck Club, and Dashiell Hammett's Dead Yellow Women is also set here. 9. Stop at the Tianho Temple, 125 Waverly Place. The smell of temple incense is one of Chinatown's sensory treats, and you'll find plenty of it on the top floor at 125 Waverly Place, in a temple dedicated to the Goddess of Heaven. After you climb the long stairway, you'll find a tiny, incense-filled room hung with red and gold lanterns, several shrines, and a statue of the goddess in the back. They don't mind respectful visitors, but don't allow photographs. Admission is free, but I recommend making a small donation, just to be polite. 10. Family Benevolent Associations. You'll see the offices for several of these associations on Waverly Place, including the Yang and Wong families. They began as social clubs to serve social and personal needs of Chinese workers and provide political and social support systems to newcomers. These days, they are mostly gathering places, particularly for older Chinese who live in Chinatown. 11. Bing Tong Kong Freemasons. During the early 20th century, Bing Tong Kong was one of San Francisco's most powerful tongs, groups often compared to modern gangs. In the 1930s, it started using the name Chinese Freemasons, but whether they are formally associated with that organization is unclear. This building appears briefly in the 1982 film Chan is Missing, directed by Wayne Wang. 12. Stop at the Clarion Music Center, 816 Sacramento Street, sells Chinese drums, cymbals, flutes, Tibetan singing bowls, and many unusual instruments, and is well worth a stop if you like that kind of thing. They are closed on Sundays.